Hi there, I'm Abby. Welcome to Abby's Retro Rescue, where I rescue all kinds of vintage items from the 80s. And today I want to talk to you about washing plush, because as you can see, I buy a lot of vintage plush, like this Care Bear, for example, or this little shirt tails. But when you bring home your vintage plush, they're often dirty or sometimes stained. And at the very least, they're musty. And they definitely need to be cared for and cleaned before you want to sell them on Etsy or enjoy them in your own home. So today I'm going to show you how I like to clean plush items like this. I've already just cleaned this one, and wait until you see what this one used to look like, because it may look great now, but this little Pammy doll was quite stained and dirty before. So now let's rewind the tape and I'll show you how I got these guys nice and clean. Okay, the first step that I would do is identify some stains, like right here. Poor Pammy, she seems well loved, but I've been looking for this one for a while to complete my shirt tails collection. So I got her anyways because I do think that I can get her clean. So the product I use is Spray and Wash. I like the Spray and Wash Max. And even though these are old stains, okay, so don't expect a miracle here. But I have had lots of luck using this product in the past. And wherever it's white, even if it's not stained, if it's just dingy, I'll probably just give it a good spray. You really can't overdo it. And this dress is connected here. So this is all one piece. It'll be fine. We're just gonna throw it in the wash. But step one is to spray and wash. Well, spray the stains. And then I'm gonna let this soak in and set for just a little bit before we wash it. Another product I really like to use for these kind of things is OxiClean. And I like the OxiClean Odor Blaster because it does a really nice job of just that, blasting odors if there's any musty, dusty smell from these older toys. It's just a powder and you sprinkle it in your washer before you add any clothes, or in this case, stuffed animals. And then I like to add some towels just to cushion the dolls because you don't want them in there rattling around by themselves. And then you want to get like one of these lingerie bags and put the animal inside there. Now, if you don't have one of these bags that's made for this, well, it's actually made for lingerie, but I use it for stuffed animals all the time. They come in different sizes. This is a smaller one, but I also have bigger ones. But if you don't have one of these, you can always just use a pillowcase. Here's an example of the larger bag. We're going to be washing this Care Bear also. So put it in there, zip it up, and I'll be linking all of the products that I use today below in the description. So if you're looking for bags like this or any of the laundry products, those will be listed on the Amazon listings. So be sure and check out the description below for those. I also have a vintage one that I found at an estate sale. Look at this. Nothing beats a great pair of legs. You guys remember that from the Legs pantyhose commercial? I'm not sure why it's so huge. Like, this is a huge bag for washing pantyhose, but I just thought that was hilarious, and it's perfect for stuffed animals. So today we're going to be putting this oversized unicorn in here. There we go. Toss it in. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of the OxiClean on top of the animals and toss in a few more towels on top. OxiClean is awesome, but it's not a detergent, so you're gonna still need to use your regular detergent. This is the one that I like, Ecos Lavender. You wanna use a nice mild detergent and just put it in your washer as you normally would. Delicate cycle, because these are 40-year-old stuffed animals, so they are delicate. And for the spin cycle, I'm not gonna exceed medium.
1 hour later.
They are finished washing. We're gonna put them in the dryer, and I like to use these woolly dryer balls to help fluff them up really nice. These items should all be fine to go in the dryer. Just remember to put some towels around them so they're, again, kind of padded, I guess, so they're not clanking against the washer. Also, if your plush has like a plastic face, like a Cabbage Patch Kid, I don't put those in the dryer. Just air dry it. Before I run these through the dryer, I do want to check on the status of our stains. And look at that, you guys. Look how clean it is. So that's awesome. If the stains didn't come out, you could always try again, but once you dry them, just like your clothes, then the stains kind of set. So you definitely want to check on the stains before you run them through the dryer. And I'm also using a dryer sheet. So I'm gonna start these on a medium-low heat for about 30 minutes.
More moments later.
I mean, look at that. It's so fluffy and soft now, like new.